Hello everyone, it's Elle from Gmailfiend once again, and for this video I'll be showing you guys on how to insert photo in your email body in Gmail. So what you have to do first is to, of course, access your Gmail inbox over here. So this one is the website for this particular page, and once you have this loaded, then you should be able to follow the simple steps of this tutorial. So what you have to do next is to click compose over here. So this is the compose button. So if you click that, then you will be creating a new message. So let's just maximize that and enter a bit. And as you can see, this is the email body and I have my signature up and ready. So what you have to click next is the photo icon at the bottom part of your screen. So it's beside the padlock icon. So once you click that, then this will show up, and you can either upload, drag, or add in the web address of the image. So in this case, I will choose photos to upload first. So I'm just gonna choose this one. So as you can see, we have now attached a photo. So you can either edit the size so it can be small, best fit, which was the first size, and original size, which is rather big for the email body. So I think the best one would be best fit. So yes, that's how you insert a photo in Gmail. I hope you guys liked this video and I hope you learned something from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.